How to use Linktree for Amazon affiliate marketing. If you'd like to use Linktree for Amazon affiliate marketing, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now, assuming you are on the Amazon website where your SiteStripe is also shown to copy your basically your SiteStripe ID, right? So this will only show up if you're logged in on their associates website. So make sure that you do that. Now you can just go to a certain product of which you would like to, let's say, get the referral or the affiliate link of. Now you don't want to copy the link that's at the top of the address bar. That's just a direct product link and not your affiliate link. To get your own exclusive affiliate link, you have to just click on this get link next to the site stripe option there. And right there, you'll be able to see the link. So we can simply copy this particular link. Once you've copied the link, now we can go to Linktree. Now, there are many ways on how you'd like to market your Amazon products, but one way that you can also do is by simply creating a shop inside Linktree. So you can go to this shop option and then you can say it says create your first shop or whatever, where you can actually add the affiliate links that you prefer. So you can click on the add your first product option. You can simply choose the product URL and you just click on add button. It will find the product info automatically. It will find out and fetch the data from which website. It will basically add that as a product to your link tree so that people, whoever visits this, you can just enter the title, the price, the currency, and click on the add button to add that as a product. And this is basically your affiliate link. So this way people should be able to buy it if they wanted to. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.